Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you wondering how beginners learn digital marketing? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting gift for you and some bonuses to share with you as well. If you decide to start learning digital marketing from a proven step-by-step blueprint. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I am a single mother of two children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa. I'm actually studying for my degree in business marketing full time, and I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because back in October 2019, I was overworked and underpaid. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time and living from paycheck to paycheck. I always felt like I was always chasing time and money, and I could never catch up to either one of them. And up until that time, I was dabbling online. You name it, I've done it from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping, you name it, been there, done that. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. And now I'm actually able to go back to college, focus on my education, focus on building my skills, right? And also, I've been fortunate enough to be able to start traveling with my children, which is something that I always dreamt about, right? So in the past 2 years, we've been to Africa, Europe, to Turkey, Greece, Athens, and just experiencing time creating memories with my family, right, with my children. So today I want to talk to you about, if you're a beginner, right, how do you go about as a beginner learning digital marketing? Now, in 2024, we live in an information age where there's so much information, it can be overwhelming. I know that because I've been there myself, right? Going round and round in circles. So you want to make sure that as a beginner, first and foremost, you are following a proven step-by-step blueprint or process or system, right? Not only is a system working for the select few, but a system that's changing lives across the board, right? That is very, very important, because if it takes a while for it to work for you, you can have the encouragement to know that it's working for a broad range of people, right? Very, very important. And you want to make sure that the system, the program that you go for has step-by-step instructions that takes you by the hand and walks you step by step as a beginner. And ideally as well, you should have a done-for-you system where you don't have to be a coder, you don't have to design pages and funnels and capture pages and autoresponders. As a beginner, you don't want none of that, right? Ideally, you want to be able to have access to a system that's done for you, that you can just plug in, make your own, and you're good to go, right? But the most important thing that I want to say to you as a beginner in digital marketing, on your journey to learning digital marketing, is you don't want to get a program that's just delivered to you that you can download onto your device, or you can log into it and that's it. It's a static program, right? You don't want that. What you want is ongoing training and support. Okay, you want to be able to just like I'm in college right now, right? You want to be able to be as if you're in college, to be able to ask questions, to get guidance, and to get ongoing coaching and mentorship, right? Don't just buy a program. And because as human beings, we are indifferent, right? There's no, Napoleon Hill says, there's no explaining man's indifference to himself, right? And I can relate to that. Can you relate to how indifferent you are to yourself, how indifferent you are to your goals and dreams, right? You decide, okay, I'm going to start going to the gym, and the next thing you're like, you just let yourself down, you don't go. You make these goals and you just let yourself down. I know, I've been there, right? So So in order to actually overcome the indifference, you need to make sure that you don't just have a program that is delivered to you, but you actually get ongoing training. And ideally, the training should be from members who have actually used the actual program to earn 6 and 7 figures, right? Because there's no point in them training you when that what they're training you on is not how they made the money. So you have to make sure you tick all these, you check these boxes to make sure that you have the right vehicle to get you from where you are where you need to be. And lastly, if you can get a training program that allows you to actually market the program itself and pay you 100% commissions paid directly to you, for me, that's a no-brainer, right? Why wouldn't I do that? Would you rather get 50%, 20%, 80%, or paid through a company that holds the money for you, or would you rather get all the money paid instantly and directly to you? So of course, right, we want 100%. So if you are ready to start learning how to build a successful digital business, then I want to share with you some exciting bonuses that I have for you, right? If you click the link in the description, I'll actually give you access to a proven step-by-step 10K in 30 days guide that you can actually use. And I'm actually going to give you access to a done-for-you marketing system as well. That's good to go, okay? So I'm new to this platform. Let me see if I can share my whole screen. Nope, that's not the right thing. Interesting demonstration. You see that? No. Okay, I want to share my whole screen, right? There has to be an option to do that. Oh, let me go here. There you go. So I want to share with you some bonuses, first of all, that we have if you decide you want to jump on board. The first bonus that we have for you is if you don't want to show your face like I'm showing in this video, you can learn how to create an invisible empire by using faceless marketing, right? You create content without showing your face. Now, this bonus goes hand in hand with this Canva crash course where you can learn to use Canva to create that faceless content. And then here you can learn the mindset message marketing to earning your first million. Because the first thing, if you want to become a millionaire, or if you become a millionaire, the first thing that you need to do is actually become one in your mind, right? 200 digital products ideas if you want to create your own products down the line. And 30-day marketing strategy is where our millionaire mentor takes you by the hand and walks you step by step by giving you ideas of content to create for the next 30 days. Very, very powerful. Now, I said to you, our mentor went from zero to earning $1 million in 17 months. She actually went on to make her second million in 2 years. She walks you through exactly what she did, and very, very powerful as well with the blueprint. And then here we have access to a community of like-minded entrepreneurs, right? This is where you get all the support that you need. This is where the program becomes live interactive. We have over 43,000 paid members in this community. And here is where you get access to all the live coaching and mentorship. So you see here, there was, on Monday, there was Lizelle. She's a South African millionaire. Did some mentoring. Here today, there'll be training, and it shows up in your time as well. And then tomorrow is Thursday. There'll be a technical call. You need help setting up your system initially. Once you set it up, it's done. And Friday, we have mentoring from Wendy as well, and a webinar, right? So this is where you get access to the live ongoing coaching and mentorship sessions. And then here again, this is another bonus site. And we just started, you're watching to the right time, because 9 days ago, we started this 90-day holiday push where our goal is to earn an extra 20K before the year. So what happens is our millionaire mentor takes us by the hand every single day and walks us through exactly what we need to do in order to earn that 20K. Very, very powerful. She gives us assignments to do at the end of those, right? So this again is a bonus. This here is this bonus number one here, right? So when you join, you get access to this on an app on your phone and the browser. You get access to all the mentoring calls that you missed, right? So here, this was the last one with Amy on the 27th of October. So like all these are there for you, right? If you want to watch them, very, very powerful. And then so on and so forth, right? We have a content vault where you can download this content onto your platform, on your device, and upload it onto your social media platforms. Social media training, again, from 6 and 7 figure earners. We have some members who've earned 6 figures within 6 months. They share with us how they did it, and so on and so forth, right? This is our bonus, one of the bonuses that we have. So I'm just going to finish off here by sharing with you some of the wins that we've had in the community just this week. Okay, just this week. Jennifer says it took me 13 months, got my first sale on digital marketing since I started in September 23. 13 months and she got her first sale, right? Imagine this consistency. And that's the thing, right? How long is a piece of string? People get results differently. So Leslie said, I almost quit 7 months ago and now I've turned $600 into $76,000, okay? I can't believe 7 months has gone since I first posted about this incredible program. I remember how desperate I felt back in March. Congratulations to these guys, by the way. Katie, 6 days ago, 1,800 in 3 days. So grateful, right? I woke up this morning saying I will make a $900 sale for this today, practicing the power of positive mindset and manifestation, right? Novaliso, $114,000 earned in 18 months, 8 months, $114,000, 866, right? So on and so forth. Christelle, 200,000 earned in just 11 months. Daryl, 2 days ago, 255,000 in 10 and a half months. I made my first sale 1 day ago, right? So what I love about this program is that we do have different people earning, getting results. Okay, stop sharing screen. I'm new to this platform, right? Yeah, stop sharing. What I love about this program is that we have different people earning 6 figures, 7 figures, 3 figures, 4 figures. It all depends on the level of experience they have, how motivated, how much they put in, how coachable and teachable they are. So if you are hungry to change the rest of 2024 and set yourself up for success in 2025, I invite you to click the link below to actually claim your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide. When I deliver this copy to you via email, I will also give you access to a 100% done for you automated marketing system that will allow you to activate up to 7 income stream, right? Now, I urge you to respond to my email. Let's have a conversation because I want to be able to help you make an informed decision. What we have is not for everybody. You have to be hungry to change your current situation. You got to be coachable. You got to be teachable. You got to be willing and able to follow simple step-by-step instructions. And you got to be willing to invest the time and the money. This is education, right? Once you throw money at it, you have to turn up, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.